What's up? So I'm on the way to my brother Aaron's house. We're taking Gage out to ride his dirt bike. He's got some land. But while we're there, we're going to do some private investigation work. Some of you may know, but Aaron has a 49 Chevrolet truck that had a 5.3. It was twin turbo. Well, he took his motor out and doing some upgrades to it, and he hadn't really told me all what he's doing because I think he's scared. Because I also have a 70 model C10 that I'm going to put a 5.3 twin turbo in, and I told him I'm coming after him. They don't think I can get him. So once I told him everything that I'd ordered for my engine, I think he got a little scared and started tearing his motor back down to do upgrades on his. So anyways, so it's a little brother versus brother here, who can build the fastest truck. So anyways, we're headed to my brother's house. We're gonna try to do some peeking and see if we can't figure out what he's putting in this engine. Because when we get done, we're gonna race each other and see who's the fastest. Now, of course, I don't think there's no question who's gonna be the fastest. I mean, I'm the oldest, I'm smarter, more beautiful, and way less than him. So, I mean, you know, it's all about that weight versus horsepower, you know. So, yeah, that's what we're doing now. I'll try to sneak the camera in and see if I can't film when he's not looking. So I'm at my brother's house. My daughter and my nephew. Gage is back there riding somewhere. So we're at my brother's. He's with a friend of ours, Wade, that has a Firebird that is twin turbo. They're at the track right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'll come over to his house and I'm gonna do some secret investigation, see what he's got going on in here. I know he ordered some more parts. Let's check it out. All right, so he's got, let's see. So he's got the front clip and the engine out. There's his front clip, and there's the engine. Of course, he's got the 4.8. See if I can find any parts. He's got his head over here with the studs. Or no, the bolts, sorry. He's got bolts, not studs. Okay. There's the rest of his stuff back here. Valve covers. His blow dryer's right there. I know he got some parts in, but I don't know what he did with them. Hang on, let's walk over here. We got a box. Let's check out the box. Oh man, look what he got there. Looks like he's got some valve springs. Yeah. Like some 660 valve springs. Those are his push rods. Cam here. Let's see what this cam's talking about. This is a turbo cam. I'm almost certain that's the turbo cam. So I think he had originally, yeah, twin turbo stage 2. Oh, he got stage 2 cam. Okay. Yeah. So he went with the stage 2 turbo cam. I think he may have been scared because that's what I ordered for mine. He originally had a stage 3 truck cam in there. So I know the turbo cams make quite a bit more power when you're running turbos, obviously. That's what they're designed to do. So he'll see a step up in horsepower there, but that's okay because I already have a turbo cam. He's running a 4.8. That's his engine, is a 4.8. Mine's a 5.3. I know he said he was going to do an injector upgrade, but he won't tell me what injector size he's going with. That's okay. I don't need to know. Because at the end of the day, I'm still going to be faster than him. It's just facts. I mean, it is what it is. So anyway, that's it for this video. I just let you know he's building his, I'm building mine. Who's going to be the fastest? We know. This guy right here. This guy's going to be faster, without a doubt. Stay tuned to find out. It's going to be a little bit because we're both building them, which he's a lot farther along than I am, but as far as his truck wise, but that's okay. I'll catch up. And next race season, I'm gonna smoke him. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button down there. Hit that little bell so when I post our next videos, you'll get the notification. Yeah, do that. Catch you on the flip side. Peace. Are we just cruising?
Yeah.
Got my driver over there, Mr. Whalen. Jeremy McGrath over there. All right, kick a U-turn for me, sir. Let's see where them girls are at. Oh, they're over there. We got another passenger. Whoa, what was that? What the? Did you see that? All right. And we got some. Out for my little stroll through the neighborhood. What are you doing, Noah? Where'd all your clothes go to? Last time I seen you had clothes on, now you don't. It's okay. Happens to the best of us.